Hi people, you're welcome back to my YouTube channel. So if you're new to this channel, you are highly welcome. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you a drink that would help you to glow up your skin. It will help you polish up your skin from the outside, and this drink, you are going to be drinking it and your skin is going to glow, it's going to fresh, it's going to lighten up, and it's going to be so shiny. Alright, yep, I am telling you the truth. Alright, so if you want to know what comprises of my skin lightening drink, please do continue watching, and don't forget to thumbs up this video, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and also share the video, turn on the bell right beside the subscribe button. That way you will be notified when I upload a new video. If you have any questions you want to ask me, please do ask all of your questions on my website. The link will be at my description box and also at my comment section. Alright, beautiful ladies and gentlemen, let's dive into this video. The first ingredients we're going to be needing will be watermelon. Now watermelon is a great source of nutrients to the body. It would help leave your skin glowing, polished and radiant, and it will also help you glow from the outside. And the next ingredients we're going to be needing is cucumber. Cucumber contains a lactic acid, and it is great for the skin and also for the body. It helps you glow from the inside. Alright, so taking cucumber internally would not only help you, but it will also help you in enhancing your sex life. And the next ingredient, which is very important, is going to be orange. Now orange is one ingredient that helps to glow the skin. Orange contains numerous vitamins. Number one of it is vitamin C, which is great for the skin. It will help your skin glow, it will polish up your skin, and it will also help lighten it up. And the next ingredients we're going to be needing dates. Okay, in my local African language it is called debino. Alright, so debino contains an ingredient that helps to reduce the amount of melanin in the body. Okay, so taking much of dates would help you glow from the outside, and it will also help to lighten up your skin. Okay, so now let's prepare all our ingredients together. First of all, I'm gonna be cutting this very huge watermelon, which I've already cut before. So I'm gonna be cutting just a little piece of it. Okay, I have to be careful because of the sharp knife. And here. Alright, so if your watermelon does not contain seeds, it is not a good watermelon. So your watermelon has to contain seeds, and lots of seeds. Okay, so I'm gonna be removing it, and then I will just have to be cutting it this way because we're gonna be blending it. Alright, so I'm gonna be transferring this into a blender. And the next one is the dates. I would have to open it up and remove the seed, and then put the flesh in it. Alright, so I'm gonna be peeling the dates, and then we're gonna be removing the seed. So we'll be needing just 3 dates in this. Okay, alright, peeling these dates can be very strong, but you have to be careful with your hands, just like I am with my own hands too. Okay, now if you don't have dates, you can also use honey. Now I'll have to be cutting in the cucumber. Alright, So I'll be slicing the cucumber. And then I'm going to be putting that into it. For the orange, I'll have to cut the orange into 4 pieces. Okay, and then I'll just have to remove this parts of the orange and also remove the seed, and then I'll just be scooping it in, okay, like that, into this. Alright, so I'm gonna go blend this and I'll be right back. Alright, so here is my bowl and here are all the fruits that I blended. Now I would have to sieve them out because I don't need the shaft, okay? But if you want, you can actually drink both the shaft, but for me, I just love only the juice, okay? Alright, so here is the drink and you can drink this morning and night. Alright, let me have a taste of this. I can't wait. Wow, this tastes really great. Like, if you make this drink and you drink it, your skin is going to glow, your skin is going to be polished, and you are gonna be loving the way your body is gonna be. Like, not only your skin, your body also, okay? It tastes really sweet. I'm sure it's because of the date and also because of the watermelon, which is really red. Like, you can see how red that watermelon was. Okay, so that's it. You can take it morning and evening and you are good to go. Okay, just make it in a jar and keep it in your fridge and you're done. So that's it, guys. You have to be consistent in drinking this. Not only will it glow and lighten up your skin, it's just gonna be so great for your body. It's just going to it's just going to make you smart and agile and very ready to work, and it's going to cleanse your colon, it's going to cleanse your system, and you are good to go. Fruit is something that is very important for the body and also for the skin. Okay, so if you did love this video, please don't forget to give it a huge thumbs up, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and please share the video. Also turn on the bell right beside the subscribe button. That way you will be notified when I upload a new video. If you have any questions you want to ask me, please do that on my website. The link will be at my description box. Follow me on Instagram, guys. Alright, I'll see you soon in my next video. Bye guys, and stay beautiful. Mwah.